Welcome to part 2. Whoops, almost slipped. It's a nice grill.
Yeah, you won't be cooking on it. Maybe you won't be having hamburgers and hot dogs.
There's no hamburger available in the store.
A steak.
Ryan Scout Project. Huh. Oh wow, look at all these sticks landed right in. Is that cool? Wow. Pretty cool place.
It's clean.
Yeah, it is clean.
You got a lot of branches down, but still it's clean.
This is an old... You can't even go on the swings? I'm breaking the rules.
Don't go on them?
You can't go on the swing?
No, because they got a chain.
Coroni?
Yeah, that probably it.
Well, I am. I'm going on the swing. I won't touch the metal. No Coroni. Isn't that sad? You can't even swing on the swings. Oh, man. Huh. Bummer. Look at that bark.
Yeah.
Wow. That's an old tree.
Yeah.
That guy got a fishing pole. I think he can fish in here.
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah, he got a fishing pole.
I go for bass. May have smallmouth bass and little bowhead,
There's a robin.
trout.
An old stone wall over there. Look at the stone wall. Sasquatch, where are you? Sasquatch. Who built the stone wall? Wow. What kind of tree bush is that? Alright. Let's go.
This is very well maintained.
Uh-huh.
Grass is cut.
I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. Look at that bridge. Wow. Look at that.
Bridge over the river Kwai. Nice bridge.
Oh, somebody got their bobbin stuck.
Huh?
See the bobbin? The bobbin thing in the branch from their fishing thing?
Yeah. The bobs, yeah.
It's a
That's
floater.
what makes me hate about fishing. I was lost.
Oh, Ooh. Hey, this is a good view. I wonder if it takes pictures. Oh, there's the bridge. Old bridge. Alright. Uh-oh, a little muddy over here. Just a little muddy. Almost looks like somebody drove their car.
Yeah. My motorcycle.
Yeah. Oh no, how do we get through? We're stuck, Lon. I have to step on the roots. I made it step on the root.
Yeah.
Look at the inside here. Any alligators? No alligators? Stars shining bright above you. What's this thing, Lon? A drain?
Drain.
From the road?
Yeah, it's a drain.
From the road?
Like it's coming over from here.
Look at you can't go on the monkey bars?
You know, you're coming in and going down.
You can't go on the swings?
They don't want you
Oh, man. How are you going to catch Coroni on a...
to. I know.
I know. Huh. Oh, well. Well, this is the sawmill. Welcome to another Edge of 8 video interlude. We're going to get out of here for now. You can't swing on the swings. They cut a big tree down.
Yeah.
That was a nice little walk. Nice venture. Another vlog. Alright. Can we go up this way? Let's see. I think this is a drain.
It is. It's a little spillway.
Alright. Well, that concludes another Edge of 8 video interlude with the world famous one and only Edge of 8 on a parallel line of a gravity pull into this moment, which was great. Thank you for watching.